Rigor here, Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. I'm working on a crack in the top deck of the boat. As you see, I got my safety gear on for grinding. I'm all covered in dust. My glasses are kind of white. So, hope you enjoy this. If you did, please like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching. Okay, as you recall, I fixed this crack. Well, the crack extends up here. This has been repaired before. Also, I'm going to fill this hole. If you notice, it's cut at an angle. So I looked at what is the angle, and so I used this to duplicate the angle. And I've cut a plug. Now if you go around, you'll see there's more crack here. And also, if you look down in that hole, you'll see screws. Now here's some really long screws there. I think I'm going to cut them off. Now if you take a look, what I've done, I've cut a little plug right here, put a screw in it to hold it. Did some duct tape magic in the hole so that I can put this. As you see, it's been cut at an angle just like the hole was. And so I'm going to lay that in there, but I got to coat it with resin first. I cut the screws off down here. There's a brace somebody put in here. I've got more crack to fill here. As you can see, this has been fixed before. So I'm going to, I think these were rod holders at one time, and they were put in here at an angle. So that's why I used the device to measure the angle. And so let me coat this with, I'm going to use polyester to coat the plywood, and then I'm going to put this in with some structural adhesive. Basically total boat. Okay, here we have finished on the crack. I put in 4 layers of chop strand mat, or maybe 5, I don't recall. 2 layers of 6-ounce cloth, and then here I took and cut the plug, gooped up the hole with Total Boat structural adhesive, coated the plug with resin, and like I say, there it is. All we got to do is wait for this to cure and come back and do some more grinding. Of course, since this is fiberglass, that's pretty much what you always do. Grind, and sand. Here's my progress. As you can see, the crack, that's been repaired, and I've got a plug in for where the rod holder was. I've chamfered it back, and then coming down here, like I said, this has been fixed before. You can see the white line, probably epoxy. So I've got to take and put some glass right here, and basically it's put in some glass and grind away afterwards. Here's the hole being filled up. I used a little bit of the Total Boat structural adhesive. I put that in the hole first, and then I put some 2 layers of 6-ounce cloth, and then the rest chop strand mat. And then I worked over here, did the same thing. I started out filling any kind of voids with the structural adhesive, and then put in 6-ounce cloth and then the chop strand mat. So there we are. All I got to do is let it set up and then start sanding. You know, always kind of the same. Okay, so here's the holes and the cracks all filled up so they're structurally sound. Like I say, this is a painted boat, so what I have left is, before I repaint this, I need to fair all of this. We got some more victims here. There's another hole, and here's another hole. Need to start doing those. And of course, here's another hole with some rotted wood in it, and here's another, and there's another. I mean, we just need to start filling in holes. Okay, that ought to do it for showing you how to fill in the holes here. Of course, there's always a parting thought, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe.